Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, again, today we lack a statistical news to help the grain markets with the U.S. Government shutdown, and now we're approaching the debt ceiling limit. It seems like in Washington the Senate has some kind of compromise, but the House will not either accept it or deal with it at this time. So we did see a few agencies talk about lowering the U.S. debt rating if we don't come up with some kind of compromise. So you just have the markets real uneasy right now, depending upon what Washington does. Still no information about whether we're going to have export sales data, crop ratings, harvest progress, or even a USDA October crop report as long as the government is shut down. Yesterday there was some word that China may have came in and bought 6 cargoes of U.S. corn. That firmed up the Gulf basis. It helped trigger some short covering of some people that may have been long wheat, short corn, also long beans and short corn. So we had a little rally in the corn. We're kind of up against some levels of resistance in the corn market, and we're still thinking that the crop is a big one, and that should limit the upside in prices. And in fact, a few farm advisors suggest that near the 480 level on the July corn, that farmers should increase sales of their 2013 corn. To date, harvest is about 30% done, and there has been the sense that farmers have sold very little of their 2013 corn. As far as the beans are concerned, a little bit of talk that perhaps the farmer is selling more beans and the crop is a little bit bigger, and that we saw maybe a little bit of a slowdown in as far as new demand is concerned. So we saw a little profit taking in the beans yesterday. South American weather, Brazil conditions are fine. Argentina is still a little dry, and temperatures are warming up. So we have to watch Argentina pretty closely as far as soybean crop production for 2014. And again, over in the wheat, a little bit of talk that maybe China may take less wheat than what the USDA is suggesting. India may offer wheat for exports, and those factors may have caused a little bit of profit taking in the wheat, especially on a spread basis. So we're still waiting for news out of Washington about the shutdown and the debt ceiling, and commodity markets are kind of on hold until we find out about that. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
That's his favorite place. She was at the football game last night.